A new era for the brand in Brazil began in 2024 with the introduction of the Renault Kardian. The compact SUV, which was built on the cutting-edge RGMP, Renault Global Modular Platform, had an eye-catching design, a respectable number of amenities, and effective mechanics. It was intended for customers seeking an urban, contemporary, and reasonably priced vehicle. Renault is now making a particular but very important improvement for the 2026 model year, particularly in direct response to Volkswagen's new rival, the Terra. See how the Kardian has changed and how much each edition costs. In order to maintain the model's competitiveness against its competitors, the 2026 Renault Kardian range improves its technology and aesthetic offerings. The top-of-the-line Iconic gets a new 10-inch screen, but the digital instrument panel with a 7-screen is still standard on all variants. An inductive mobile phone charger, which was previously exclusive to the top-of-the-range model, is also included with the Techno version. The Kardian Techno, in turn, is the version that receives the main connectivity updates. It debuts the new OpenR Link multimedia system, with a 10.1-inch floating screen, offering faster and smoother operation. Imported from a European range, this brings the Kardian closer to the more sophisticated Renault models on the European market and thus begins to break away from Dacia ties. This evolution positions the Kardian at a higher level compared to its direct rivals in the entry-level urban SUV segment, which offer more limited systems compared to this model. The 10.1-inch screen of the OpenR Link has outstanding touch sensitivity and definition. The innovative electrical design based on Qualcomm's Snapdragon cockpit platform processor, the same technology featured in its larger sibling, the Boreal, which will launch in 2026, allows for the system's great responsiveness. This gets rid of the stuttering, slowdowns, and bugs that were prevalent in the Kardian 2024 and other older EasyLink systems. Wireless connectivity is still available for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The new interface offers the driver a connected and user-friendly environment by being even more customizable, enabling over-the-air updates, and communicating with the digital instrument panel. Additionally, the Techno version now has physical buttons beneath the main screen, which enhances the usability and ergonomics of fundamental elements like climate control, which have been criticized in the brand's earlier interfaces. Since the Kardian is still a new car, its mechanical parts are unchanged. To be honest, it didn't have to. Together with the 6-speed EDC dual-clutch automatic transmission, the 1.0-liter 3-cylinder turbo engine with direct fuel injection continues to produce 125 horsepower and 22.4 kgfm of torque when running on ethanol. In comparison to traditional CVT and automatic solutions in the market, this transmission, which is utilized by Renault and Nissan cars in Europe, guarantees seamless and rapid gear changes.